एक्सप्लेनेशनच्या पेजवरती जर
Hi, good evening everyone. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing good and safe at homes. Hello Richa, Shilpa. Good evening. Thanks for joining live. Hello Sugandha, hello Madhav. So I welcome you all to yet another heart-to-heart session by Reskill Nation. I am Anubha, connecting from Vadodara, Gujarat, and I am a mother to a 6-year-old boy. So today I am here to share how more and more women can take up entrepreneurship roles in their lives through the high value skills that Reshape Nation has to offer. But before speaking about this topic, I would like to give you all a crisp introduction about myself. So I was raised in Agra, Uttar Pradesh, and after completing my graduation, I pursued my MBA from Petroleum University, Dehradun. I was working for about 6 years as an HR professional, and along the way I got married to a very nice and wonderful man, Ameya, and thereafter I settled in Mumbai. So I kept working there in Mumbai for some more years. It was in 2014 then that I gave birth to my son, and eventually at that time I left my job because I wanted to spend more time with him and wanted to raise him properly. So just thought of giving a break for some time. And then due to my husband's relocation, we had to come here in Gujarat, my current location. So by this time, my son was about 3 years old. So he was grown up comparatively. And that is when I thought of again resuming to my work life, because of all the education and all the experience that I had. It was I guess the right time to start working, because what I feel personally is that बच्चों को भी वो थोड़ा आदत होना चाहिए, थोड़ा सा that my mother is working. Otherwise, what happens, all the time you're occupied with the child, and in this entire course of time you somehow try to forget the things that you aspire in life. So I thought that we should now get back to our professional life as well. But then here in Vadodara, I did not have anybody else at home. So just the two of us and my son. That is why I took up a part-time content development job profile. So I was really happy initially because I started earning. So that gave me a nice push. And also I was able to contribute to family income. So, and since it was a part-time job, so I could manage my son along with my job. So it was giving me happiness all the way. But then, after some years, I thought that something was missing. There was something that could have been done. Something more, there was in my mind that I need something more than this. Not just this. I'm not meant for this. Right, and that is where I came across Reskill Nation and got an opportunity to work as an entrepreneur. So this journey, this entrepreneur journey actually unleashed the potential within. My potential came out beautifully. I never really thought that I could, take up so many responsibilities at one point of time, because I was looking after my child. Then I was, of course, looking after my home, managing everything. And last year, as you all know, was lockdown. So no maids, nothing. Along with job, I was able to take up this entrepreneur role as well. So that was a new side that I discovered about myself. And then, so this is what I want to tell you all ladies today, that females are really capable of doing anything they can. They can achieve all that they wish to. It's just that we need to explore options, and we need to figure out what can be done. So that is what I did. And so today I'll be talking about why many females are taking up entrepreneurship, is because that is what entrepreneur life is all about. See, initially we might think that it is all just related with the number of deals that we are closing or the profits that we are making. But eventually, if you see, it is something more than that. Because the life of an entrepreneur goes through a lot of stages in the first place. Right? There are not always good times that we explore. There are setbacks also that we need to face. Then we need to also learn from the failures that we've been through. And the very important point here is that we need to stay emotionally strong also, because that is of utmost importance. And because of that, once you stay emotionally strong, you are able to come out of that situation gracefully, right? And look at life with a different perspective altogether. So, moreover, another thing that I would like to highlight here is that today we are blessed with an internet availability. So all the social media platforms are open for us to explore, to showcase our skills. And this is one thing that our parents and grandparents were not blessed with. For example, if we take our mothers, for instance, so not many mothers during the past era could take up such roles, because in the first place they were not really allowed to go out of their homes. So they were typically confined to their houses, and yes, they could have taken some small roles staying in their house, but then entrepreneurship is altogether a different thing. You need to showcase your skills to the entire world, what you can offer to the society and make the place a better place. That is what it is all about. So in addition to that, so for example, if we say that there is a difference like between talent and skill. This is what I have understood, talent and skill. So talent is something which is God gifted, right? I mean, when a baby takes birth, these talents are infused in him or her by God. So we don't really have much to say about it. Somebody has a nice voice, so it's a talent. So that particular person can go on and make a good career in singing. But then there is something which is called skills. Now these skills are not God gifted. These skills have to be learned all through the way. And these skills, I mean, if you can be a total amateur with anything. For example, if we take cooking, for instance, because most of the females have joined today. So let us take an example of cooking. Now cooking again is an art, it's a skill. Initially, if you try to make some vegetable, there might be chances that the spices and the salt proportion might be alarming initially. But then as you try to enhance those skills for yourself over and over again, you actually kind of start polishing those skills for yourself. And in the end, you come out like a master altogether. And that is why the saying goes that every master was once a disaster. That's absolutely true. Right. So, having said that, why more females are into entrepreneurship roles is because they are seeing other women actually take up those. They are seeing कि अगर ये कर सकती है, इसके भी babies हैं, इसका भी full time career है, या even if she is a homemaker, still if she is able to do it, मैं भी कर सकती हूँ. Right. So they are along the way they're getting inspired from other ladies out there. Right, and that's what exactly happened with me also. How did I come, stepped into this field, or what really changed in me is that every week on week, I used to see powerful ladypreneurs, mompreneurs speaking on this Reskill Nation platform, and they used to speak their heart out about how they are managing their family life. Because managing family life, even if you're working or you're not working, always holds a lot of importance. Of course, if you have people at home to support you, then there is nothing like that. But there are, of course, families where, females have to really struggle a lot. But then that's not the case these days. Those were past times. So that is also helping us females to, expand gracefully in our careers. And when I saw these influential ladypreneurs on this Reskill Nation platform every week, something changed in me. So I also started thinking on different directions then. Because they were beautifully explaining about how they were able to manage everything, how they were able to, go to the next level altogether. Their dreams have started turning into realities. That is also one very important thing. We as females, we have very little dreams initially. But then that doesn't suffice. You always have to explore more, go to the next level, as I said. So that's where I came in touch with this Reskill Nation platform. And it really feels great to be able to contribute to the family. Family income rather. And in this entire process, what happens is that your self-image goes high. So this particular thing was really, really important for me. And so in addition to that, I am really glad that we have a platform like Reskill Nation with us, which is helping a lot of women out there to stand on their own feet, become independent, and create a beautiful future for themselves and their families too. Right, so with my experience, if you ask me, with my experience, I can say that this is a life-changing opportunity for all the females out there who either want to start working again because, just like I told about myself, I had to leave my job because I wanted to take care of my child. But then that was my case. There are other reasons also why females have to quit their jobs after their pregnancy, for example. Because they're either not able to, there are some health issues post-pregnancy, or there might be some issues in office that they're not able to resume. And that is why this platform actually, opens this opportunity to everyone who either wants to resume work or they would like to add, another wing to their fleet. Right, in addition to their existing jobs, if they would like to, explore more out in the market. So this Reskill Nation platform is always there to help. So I therefore encourage all the moms and ladies and females, from all walks of life, whether you are a homemaker or, for example, if you are also a working professional, to benefit and leverage from the high value skills that that Reskill Nation teaches. Now at this juncture, I would like to highlight about high value skills. What are high value skills? Right, to understand these skills better, let me share a very interesting story with you all, because this story actually, inspired me a lot. So this is nice platform also to share my heart. So in the story, there was a town wherein there was a huge factory premises, and the machinery, due to some technical issues, there was a breakdown in the factory. So everything came to a standstill. Nothing was working. So the employees, the employers, the managers, everybody got really worried how to take up the operations further. So that's when an expert was roped in, and this expert came to visit the factory and the machinery with just a very small bag in his hand. Right, and then he was led towards the machinery which was not working, and he just dekha usne puri machinery ko, and then while he was checking upon one part of that machine, he quickly took out a very small hammer from his bag and gently patted to that part of the machine. एक कोने में उसने देखा और बस फटाफट अपना हैमर निकाल के उसने पैट कर दिया मशीनरी को, and within seconds, the machinery started working. Wow! So with just this thing, this small hammer blow, the machinery started working, and then this expert left. Then the next day, he sent an email to this manager claiming his bills. Of course, abhi services diye hain, so he will of course claim his bills, right? So when this manager opened that email and saw the bill, he got really shocked, because he had no idea that the amount mentioned in the bill would be that high. It was 50,000 rupees, right? So now this shocked and amazed and startled manager resent that email to that manager asking for an itemized billing, proportionate billing. Kya cost hai that you've sent such a huge bill to me? So within seconds, this manager again got an email from that expert, and just 2 lines were written in that email. So the email read that 500 rupees are for tapping the machinery and 49,500 to know where exactly to tap. So that is high value skill. And this story actually inspires me a lot, because I really learned the value of these skills. How important it is in the current scenario to learn these high value skills, because there's a huge market for us, who is waiting for someone who could deliver these high value skills, right? And then, so therefore, I encourage all the ladies from all walks of life to come and see what this Reskill Nation platform has to offer, because it has changed my life for sure. And that is why I want to spread this goodness among all the other females who are just like me, who are still thinking of what to explore. And that is why there is a quote by Walt Disney which says that if you really want things to happen, you need to stop thinking and start working. So enough of thinking done. It's now time to actually get into action, right? So these high value skills, in order to learn those, in order to leverage those, all you need to do is to sign up on the Reskill Nation page and enroll yourself for the course, just like I did, right? And another important thing that I would like to share is that these courses are free of cost. Right? There's no charge to learn these skills. And so that is how my life changed with this Reskill Nation platform. And actually this platform is doing a great, wonderful job to, make females independent, wherein they could also, change, not only change their lives, but they are able to provide better future to their, kids also, and even elders in the family. Right, that is very important. It is not just about generating incomes. It is about how well you can function being in the pivotal stage. We all are in the pivotal, position, because the entire family revolves around us. So that is what I wanted to share today. And on this note, there's another story that I can think of. So would like to share that as well. This story is by Gaur Gopal Das. I really enjoy listening to his beautiful motivational, contents. So there was a firefighter, and after spending about long working hours, more than 72 hours working in the fire station, when he was going back home, he was reminded by his wife that on the way home you need to get some important groceries for the dinner tonight. So he was there in the supermarket and he was purchasing those essential groceries for his dinner. And that's when a lady came rushing to him and quickly hugged this guy. And of course, what would be his reaction? Out of nowhere, some lady is coming and hugging him. So he was like very shocked and startled. What is happening? But then this lady actually realized that yes, this man is feeling uncomfortable. So she stepped back, and as she stepped back, this man could see tears in her eyes. And also there was a very beautiful smile on this lady's face. She went away within seconds and she spoke just one sentence to this person. She said that it was you who saved my life during the Twin Tower accident in September 2001. So you see how beautiful life is. So what I learned here is that we actually never know what goodness we are spreading around. Right? क्या गुडनेस हम कर रहे हैं, कब कर रहे हैं, किसको कर रहे हैं, और वो फिर कैसे रिवॉल्व होके अपने पास वापस आता है. So that is what life is all about. Right? So in this Reskill Nation platform also, the same thing applies here too. Right? The platform is spreading goodness of providing, independence to so many females out there. Like for example, it has provided that happiness to me. So now today I'm here sitting in front of you sharing my experience. Right? And so that is how the life keeps revolving. So more goodness you do, more goodness comes back to you. So these courses which I was explaining about some minutes ago, the fresh batch would be starting soon, and so you all can sign up on the page for the same. And so I guess that was all I wanted to share today. And before signing off, I would like to say that stay tuned for yet another heart-to-heart session of Reskill Nation, which would be coming up live this Saturday at 11 a.m. And that session would be taken up by another ladypreneur. And, because she was also able to leverage these high-value skills and create a better future for herself and her family too. So with this, I end my talk here. Would like to meet you all once again, and take very good care of yourselves till we meet next. Thank you.